Hey, I'm Alan, and this is my presentation. First, for my topic of my project, I did overprescription of opioids and other medication. The main questions I had behind this topic was first, what problems are caused by the overprescription of opioids? Who's causing this problem? And in what ways can we fix this problem? I decided to do all this within a graphic essay. For my audience, it can mainly be split into two groups. First, physicians and then pharmaceutical companies. I chose to do these two groups because the root of the problem of overprescription can go all the way back to physicians and pharmaceutical companies. And since they're the reason for this problem, the only way to fix it is by addressing them and showing them where they need to improve. For research, I did mainly all my research online, the first being case studies. These were very beneficial since they're just straight, mainly statistics, numbers, graphs, charts, and I was able to use them to mainly see like rates of overdoses and addiction throughout the years and trends there. And the next type of research I did was through scholarly articles. These were beneficial since they're mainly written by accredited doctors who were actually in the hospitals where there is overprescription and how and why it's happening and ways that they can fix this problem. For my rhetorical choices, I used a formal tone. I thought it was the best way to address my audience, which I thought was a more professional audience. So I thought I'd address them in the same manner. In my essay itself, I chose to use ethos and pathos because ethos, I thought physicians would listen to other more accredited physicians to change their ways. And then for pathos, overprescription has caused thousands of people to become addicted and overdose due to the medication they're on. So I'd use sympathy to convince my audience of the problem. And I decided to do all this within a graphic essay because I thought it was the best way to get my information across to my audience. I thought should do it in a more professional manner, which I thought an essay was the best way to do it. And I decided to do a graphic essay instead of a normal one because I was able to include charts and graphs, which was the best way I thought to get my statistics across. My favorite parts of this project was first learning more on a subject. I first learned about this back in high school and really enjoyed it. So it was nice being able to learn more about it, speaking out on a problem, and then creating a finished product I was proud of. We started this all the way back months ago during the annotated bibliography. So it's nice just being able to wrap everything up and feel good about it. For challenges, first narrowing down the topic. At first, I wanted to do broad scale problems in medicine, but I realized that was a little too broad, so I narrowed it down to one of the problems, which was overprescription. In choosing an audience, at first, I wanted to address all the people who would be using opioids and kind of what to look out for and problems, but that was a little too broad because of the different category of people that use it. So I narrowed it down to just the root of the problem, which were the physicians and pharmaceutical companies, and then how to fix it. In accomplishments, I brought attention to an ongoing problem in our community. So many people become addicted and overdose because of overprescription. Thousands die every year. So I thought it'd be good to raise awareness about something that so many are affected by. And then I gained knowledge on the topic I was interested in. This is more of a personal accomplishment, but I enjoyed learning about this back in high school, like I said earlier. So it's just nice to extend my knowledge on that. And that's all I have. So thanks for listening.